Hey, good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. Make sure that you click on Thursday's button. Make sure that you also click on Desmos calculator. Remember, we're going to be using Desmos every day from now on. Also, don't forget unit test corrections. If you guys got a bad grade last week on that test, you need to do those test corrections this week so that I can change your grade. So we're going to click on Thursday. There's a few things you're going to do today. A lot of it is notes, so just make sure that you're taking a lot of notes. So the first one's going to be, let me move this up. The first one's going to be the Ed puzzle. It's only 5 minutes. Make sure that you write down notes and that you answer those questions correctly. Remember that that is a grade. So if you get them wrong, that brings your grade down. If you need help, just ask questions. Me and Ms. Jenkins and Ms. Manzano can help you. The second one is a video, how to write lines from 2 points. So make sure that you write down all those notes for that one, and then that you practice with the quizzes for today. You will have a test tomorrow over writing linear equations. So these notes will really help you, and you practicing will really help you for the test tomorrow. If you have any questions, let me know.